In this video, let us solve Chapter 11 Understanding Quadrilaterals Value Based Question. In previous video, we discussed worksheet 3. Now let us solve from this chapter value based question. Question number 1. There was a wasteland near a locality in the shape of a parallelogram ABCD. The residents of the locality, with the permission of concerned authorities, decided to fence the land and convert it into a park with shady trees, plants and a small herbal garden. The perimeter of the land is 320 meter. Length AB of the land is 100 meter. The fencing has to be done only along sides AB, BC and CD of the land. AD will be used as a gate. Sub questions given here. Find the cost of fencing the land at rupees 26 per meter. Do you like the idea of the residents converting wasteland into a park? Why? In what other ways you can make use of wasteland? Here, there was a wasteland near the locality. It is in the form of parallelogram ABCD. They converted wasteland into park with shady trees, plants and small herbal garden. By planting shady trees, plants and small herbal garden. And also given perimeter of that land is 320 meter. Length AB of the land, one side length given 100 meter. The fencing has to be done only along sides AB, BC and side CD. Nothing but fencing has to be done only for three sides, that is AB, BC and CD of the land. AD will be used as gate. AD side will be used as gate. Here the first question they are going to ask, you have to find the cost for fencing the land at rupees 26 per meter. For every 1 meter, 26 rupees. What is the total cost for fencing that land? Second question, do you like the idea of the residents converting wasteland into a park? And also you have to give the reason for that. And third question, in what other ways can you make use of wasteland? In what other ways we can use the wasteland, that you have to mention here. Now, let us solve this question through the diagram. Here, the diagram ABCD is a parallelogram, it is a wasteland. AB length given, which is 100 meter, and also the total perimeter of this land given 320 meter. AD is used as a gate. You have to find the cost for fencing three sides, that is AB, BC and CD. To do the fencing for these three sides, what is the cost if for every 1 meter is 26 rupees. Okay. To solve this, first write down what they given. Perimeter of the land given 320 meter. Perimeter of the land is equals to 320 meter. And also one side length given, that is AB equal to 100 meter. AB length given 100 meter. Let the length BC be x meter. BC length we don't know, that consider as x. Here the given diagram is in the shape of parallelogram. Already we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal to each other. AB is 100 centimeter, means the opposite side for AB opposite side is DC. DC is also 100 meter. We considered BC as x. We don't know this length. BC as x meter. So then opposite side AD length also equal to BC. You can write this also x. Okay. Consider this as x. Here they given this is 100 meter. Opposite side also equal to 100 meter, because opposite sides in a parallelogram are equal. So now then we can write sum of all these sides, which is equal to perimeter of the land. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD equal to 320 meter. AB already given 100, write down. BC we considered as x plus CD is also 100 because opposite sides are equal, plus AD also x. This is also x because opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Reason also you have to write in the bracket. 100 plus 100, 200, x plus x 2x, which is equal to 320 meter perimeter of the land. 2x keep here only in the LHS is equals to 320 minus 200. 2x equal to 120. X value, only x value we need, 120 divided by 2. 2 ones are 260 is the x value we got. X what we considered here, BC. BC we got here 60. Now we need length for fencing. Only they given only fencing has to be done for only 3 sides. What are those? AB, BC and CD. For only 3 sides we have to do fencing. To do fencing we need length of these 3 sides. Length of 3 sides how we will get? By adding these 3 sides. AB plus BC plus CD. AB 100, BC we got 60, that is x value we got 60, and CD is also 100. So substitute here. The length of the fencing is equal to AB plus BC plus CD. 100 plus 60 plus 100, which is equal to 260 meter. We got total length for fencing. For each 1 meter cost is 26 rupees. Then total cost for 260 meter is 26 into 260 meter. Rupees 26 into 260 will get total cost for fencing, that is equal to 6,760. This we got total cost for fencing the land. First question completes. Second question answer is, second question you have to write the answer. Yes, we like the idea of the residents converting wasteland into a park because by doing so we can get fresh air and medicinal plants. We can also do exercise in such a healthy atmosphere. This is answer for second sub question. For third sub question you have to write answer. We can use the wasteland to make hospital, school, yoga center, etc. We can use the waste land by doing hospitals or schools or yoga centers, etc. This completes your chapter 11 understanding quadrilaterals value based question.